Man, my shoulder's been stiff and haven't been able to use it all the ways that I normally want to. You're saying I can use a towel to help my shoulder feel better? I am all ears, man. Show me what's up, Fred. In keeping with the theme of trying to make ourselves feel better with stuff we should have lying around the house, Fred has shown me how to use a towel to help get back some of that shoulder range of motion that you might lose from an injury or overuse. So if we just start with a standard towel and we roll it up like so, keeping my shoulders tucked down and back, keeping my shoulder blades pinched. We want to protect those shoulders, protect that rotor cuff. And we do that with shoulders down and shoulders back. Grabbing it at a comfortable distance, using a slightly longer towel gives you a little bit more flexibility. We wrap it around our hands like so, lock out our elbows, and then we just, as we're using our shoulders to pull the towel tight, starting with thumbs out, we roll our thumbs in, keeping those elbows tight and really pulling those hands apart, and then slowly unrolling. So if we roll in and out for 10 rotations, then we can switch and go to towel hanging down from our pinkies, roll it around, and same thing. Pulling the towel away, roll our thumbs from in to out. Really squeezing those elbows. Unrolling, thumbs down, trying to get as much range of motion as we can. Thumbs out as much as possible, pulling those hands apart. Unrolling and rolling. Nice and slow. We're not doing this for speed. We're not doing this for intensity. We're doing this for control. We can also use this to help with overhead range of motion. So once again, start with either towel hanging out of your thumbs or towel hanging out of your pinkies, wrapping it around your hands, then with some constant tension, how far overhead can we raise it? We go until we find the comfortable angle with our shoulders, and then do the same thing. Slowly out, slowly in, elbows locked, shoulders down, shoulders back. We might feel tight in our wrists, we might feel tight in our elbows, we might feel tight in our shoulders. Again, we don't want to compromise on any posture here. We're just trying to find out where your particular body is going to have its range of motion and spend some time there. Additionally, we can do it behind the back to work shoulder extension. So, grabbing it so that the towel is hanging out of my pinkies, wrap, wrap, elbows down, elbows, shoulders down, shoulders back, rolling the thumbs out, slowly unrolling the thumbs in and out, maybe 10 times, nice and slow. Switch it up, towels hanging down from my thumbs, wrap, wrap, shoulders down, shoulders back, elbows locked, roll in, slowly unroll, another 5 or 10 times. Pick up an angle for your shoulders and then just slowly lift it up and down. Gently touch your backside, gently lift up, keeping the same angle in the hands and shoulders. Again, pulling those hands apart, trying to separate the towel, stretch the towel. Work on this for 5 or 10 minutes every day, And in a few weeks, or even less, you'll notice a significant improvement in your shoulder range of motion, decrease in pain, and stability. Please give me your feedback. Love some thoughts.